Power any number, answer has to be an even number. So therefore 81, 15, it is out. I hope it is clear. Just by looking at a question itself, we can eliminate the answer option. Next one, if the 9-digit number, there is a 9-digit that is given, the number is 7x 7925 1y8. This is a 9-digit number. This number is divisible by 36. 36, it is a composite number. 36, it is a composite number. So 36 should be divisible by 4 and 9. 36 should be divisible by 4 and 9. 4 and 9. Now if you see here, right, what is the divisibility rule of 4? Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. So y can be an even digit or an odd digit. 0, 8, yes, it is divisible. 1, 8, 18, it is not divisible. 2, 8, 28, it is divisible by 4. See, next 48, all the even digits only we will get. 48, 68 and 88. Y8 will become 08, 28, 48, 68, 88. 7x 7925 The number is divisible by 36. 36 means it should be divisible by 4 as well as 9. For a number to be divisible by 4, last 2 digits should be divisible. Last 2 digits should be divisible. I got multiple cases. Question is, what is the largest value of y? What is the maximum value of y? For the largest possible value, we have to take the y maximum value. We have to take the y maximum value, and then we need to find out the value of 10x square minus 3y square. 10x square minus 3y square. Y maximum value we have to take. Then it is divisible by 9. It is divisible by 9. Divisible by 9 means sum of the digits should be divisible by 9, or the digital sum should be divisible by 9. Wherever the sum of the digits it is 9, cancel it out. 7 plus 2 it is 9. Here also it is 9. Cancel it out. Here also 8 plus 1 it is 9. What is left over, sir? 7 plus x plus 5 plus y. Plus y. It should be divisible by 9k multiple. It should be divisible by 9k multiple. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Divided by 4 means I got multiple cases for y. Divided by 9 means I got multiple cases. So here it will be 12 plus x plus y. It will be either 9 or multiples of 9. 9, 18, 27, 36 and so on. 36. 36 onwards it is not possible because x and y are digits. The maximum value a digit can take is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 12, 36. So 36 it is not possible. If y is 0, if y is 0, the first case is, if y is 0, x will be 6. How, sir, it is? Because 12 plus 6 is only 18. 12 plus a positive value. How can it be 9? 9 is out. So if y is 0, x will be 2. If y is 2, 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. X will be 4. If y is 6, x will be 0. Y will be 6, x will be 0. Or if y is 6, x will be 9. Why it is 9? 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 0 is 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. So with y6, I got multiple cases. If y is 8, If y is 8, 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 means x will be 7. X will be 7. These are all the cases that are possible. What is the question? For the largest possible value. Largest possible value. Why we got it for 8? Why we got it for 8? Why we got it for 8? What is the question that is required? 10x square minus 3y square. What is y value? X value we got it. X value it is 7. 10 into 7 square minus 3 into 8 square. 49. 49 into 10. 490 minus 192. Minus 192. So here it will be, how much it is? 10 minus 2, 8. 48. 298. Yes, there is a calculation mistake here. 10 into 7 square minus 3 into 8 square. 49 into 10 is 490. Here itself we got the answer. 10 minus 2 it is 8. Answer unit digit should be 8. Answer unit digit should be 8. Answer unit digit should be 8. I hope the idea it is clear. Little cumbersome related question. We need to find out the value of x and we need to find out the value of y. We need to find out the value of y. Now if you see here 0, 8, 2, 8, 4, 8, 6, 8, 88. We are getting the maximum value. Just an idea, sir. Suppose if I take, this is 10x square, right? Minus y, how much we took? Suppose largest y 8 if I take. 8. 8 square is 64. 64 3s are 192. 192 plus 298. 490. 490 divided by 10. 49. X square it is a perfect square. X square it is a perfect square. Out of this if I take y value 8, substitute here, check it out which option is giving you perfect square. If y is 8, 64 3s are 192. 192 plus 490, it is 682. It should be divisible by, right? Divisible by 10, because left hand side it should be divisible by 10. Y is 8. 3 into 8 square, 64. 64 3s are 192. 192 plus 289, not divisible by 10. 192 plus 192, not divisible by 10. I hope the idea it is very much clear. 10 into any number. 10 into any number. Unit digit will be 0. 10 into any number. Unit digit will be 0. If y is 8, if y is, this will become, right, 64 into 3, 192. 0 minus 2. Negative remainder minus 2. Positive remainder it is 8. Answer, it has to end with 8. Answer, it has to end with 8. I hope the idea it is clear. This is how you solve this kind of questions. Ensure that no calculation is done and do it very, very slowly. Already we did this kind of question. Same question we did. A value 4 we got and B value 3 we got. 4 3s are answer for this question is 12. 4 3s are answer for this question is 12. Same number we found out the values of A and B. We found out the values of A and B. Now if you see here, next one. Question is, there is a 9-digit number, 9m236 5n48. This number, it is divisible by, which number he said? This number, it is divisible by 88. What is the divisibility rule of 88? 88, it is a composite number. If I have to write it as a product of coprimes, it is 8 into 11. 88 can be written as 8 into 11. First we will attack 8. 8 means last 3 digits. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Now one concept see here. One concept see here, sir. One concept see here. Very, very important concept. Very, very important concept. Right? What are the last 2 digits of this number? It is 48. It is 48. it is 48. Now if you see here, if I keep here either an odd digit or an even digit, suppose if I keep an odd digit 1, 8 ones are 8, 58, 8 sevens are 56, 1 is not possible. Let me take 3, 8 fours are 32, 28, 8 threes are 24, 3 it is not possible. If I take 5, 8 6 are 50, 48, 68, it is not possible. That means hundreds place it is not taking, hundreds place it is not taking. Which digit? Odd digit it is not taking. That means let me take an even digit. Even digit how much it is? It can be 0, it can be 2, it can be 4, it can be 6, it can be 8. 0, 4, 8, 48, it is divisible by 8. 248, 8 31s are divisible by 8. 448, 8 5s are 40, 48, divisible. 648, 8s are 64, 1. 848, 8 1s are 8, 8 6s are 48. That means these n value can be either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. It is clearly mentioned that m and n are natural numbers. Because m and n are natural numbers, n cannot be 0. N has to be either 2 or 4, right, or 4, right, or 6 or 8. Now if you see here, m square into n square, n is an even number. That means 2 into 2x whole square. That means answer should be 4 into mx square. Mx square means mx, this is a perfect square. Answer when multiplied by answer should be 4 into perfect square format. Answer should be 4 into perfect square format. 4 into 8. 8 is not a perfect square. 20 is 4 into 5. 5 is not a perfect square format. 4 into 16, yes. 4 into 9, yes. Just by knowing the values of n, I eliminated two answer options. Why? Because n should be an even number I mentioned. Any even number is of the form 2x. M square into 2x whole square. 4 into mx square. Answer should be 4 into perfect square. 4 into perfect square. 4 into 8. 8 is not a perfect square. 4 into 5. 5 is not a perfect square. 4 into 16. 16 is a perfect square. 4 into 9. 9 is a perfect square. Next one. It should be divisible by 11. What you will get the answer? N can be either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Anyway, two options we eliminated. You can go from the answer to question or question to answer. If it is 64, 4 into mx whole square, it is 64. Mx whole square, it is 16. If mx whole square is 16, mx will be, right, 4. If mx it is 4, this will be 1 into 4 or 2 into 2. 2 into 2. If m is 1, x is 4, that means n will be 8. Are you all with me? N is 2x. If x is 2, n will be 4. N will be 4. That means check with m value 1 whether n value 8 is satisfying, it divisible by 11, or if m value 2, n value has to be 4. Check which answer with these two values it is getting divisible by 11. I hope the idea it is clear. So this will be 9, 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, n is 8. 8, 4, 8. What is the, check whether it is divisible by 11. 16 plus 6, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. 24 plus 9, 33. Odd places. 13 plus 3, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 33 minus 17, it is 16. Check whether with this place, if it is divisible by, if m is 2, n is 4. M is 2, n is 4. 16 plus 6, 22. Plus 2, 24. plus 9, 33. Here it is 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus here it will become 14. Check which number it is getting divisible by 11. Little bit of calculation intensive problem, but the way of solving we know. Only thing is that we have to do it for 8 and then we need to do it for 11. I hope this process it is clear. Out of these two options, 4 into 9 is 36. I took mx equivalent to 4. If I am not getting 4 into 9, 4 into 9 is mx will be 3. If mx is 3, m will be 1, nx will be 3. If x is 3, n will be 6. m is 1, n is 6. Check it out with m value 1, n value 6, whether it is working or not. Out of these two, one number will be divisible by 11 and that will be the answer. Only thing which we should know, n can range from 0 to 468. The conclusion is n will be an even digit. If n is an even digit, even number whole square, that means the entire answer it is divisible by 4. 4 into perfect square, 4 into 8. 8 is not a perfect square. 4 into 5, it is not a perfect square. This can be 4 into 16. 16 means this mx value has to be 4. mx 4 means 1 into 4, 2 into 2. 1 into 4, 2 into 2 or 4 into 1 also. That means if m is 4, n value will become 2x2. Substitute in the given equation. Check whether the number is divisible by 11. Right? What is the least number? Least number means n should be minimum. Which when decreased by 7? I am decreasing by 7. It is minus 7. Answer is divisible by. Answer is divisible by 15, 24, 28, 32. There is an n minimum value. If this value, when I decrease by 7, n minimum, if I decrease by 7, answer is divisible by any of these numbers. Now see here, how to eliminate answer options. Now see here, always look into, in LCM, here one number is divisible by 7. Whenever you are finding an LCM, input one number divisible by 7. Input one number divisible by 7. Output also it is divisible by 7. Input one number divisible by 7. Input one number. Take this example. LCM of 5 comma 7. LCM of 5 comma 7 is 5 into 7, 35. Input 7, output also it is divisible by 7. This is divisible by 7. This is also divisible by 7. That means answer should be divisible by 7. Answer should be divisible by 7. Check which answer option it is divisible by 7. What is the divisibility rule of 7? Take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus minus. 97 minus 10. 87. 87 it is not divisible by 7. 77 minus 10. 67. It is also not divisible by 7. 67 minus 10. 57. It is also not divisible by 7. 87 minus 10. 77 it is divisible. 77 it is divisible. I hope the idea it is clear. Very, very important note. Whenever you are finding the LCM, if input one number is divisible by 7, output also it should be divisible by 7. This is divisible by 7. This is divisible by 7. That means answer will be divisible by 7. How to check whether a number is divisible by 7 or not? Take a group of 3 digits. Keep a slash. Alternatively plus minus. Alternatively plus minus. These plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. 67 minus 10, 57, not possible. 77 minus 10, 67, not divisible by 7. 97 minus 10, 87, not divisible. Only possible value is 87 minus 10. Answer is 77. I hope the idea it is clear. You don't need to find these entire LCM and add it. Entire LCM and add it. Next one. the greatest number that divides, whenever there is a number that is dividing this number, 126 is getting divided by a number, it is giving a reminder to. Already we did this model. Then the number which will divide a number is the HCF. The number which will be divided by, right? Divided by. See here, sir. Very, very important concept. The number which when divided by, whenever there is a word divided by, I will use LCM. There is a number that divides, I will use HCF. The number which divides multiple numbers, I will use HCF. The number which when divided by, I will use LCM. This is a very important note, sir. The natural number which when divided by 5 and 3 gives a remainder plus 2. LCM of 5 and 3 into k plus 2. The number which will divide a lot of numbers. Divides is HCF. Divided by is LCM. The number which that divides 224 and it gives a remainder 7. The number which divides 608 and it gives a remainder 19. What will be the idea, sir? 126 minus 2. Answer will be a factor and largest. So answer will be an HCF of 126 minus 2, 124. 224 minus 7, it is 217. 608 minus 19, it is 599. Answer will be 124, 217 and 599. Whenever we are doing HCF, our entire concentration is on the smallest number. Smallest number is 124. 124 should be a factor of every number. 124 2s are 248. No, it is not. Take the factor of 124, 31. 31 sevens are 277. 31 ones are 31. So it is, how much it is? 589. It is 508. 608 minus 19. 18 minus 9. So it is 589. 31 ones are 31. 279. So 31 will divide every other number. So answer for this question is 31. You do not need to do all this. You can easily eliminate incorrect answer options. 27. If the answer is divisible by 27, all the numbers should be divisible by 27. 27. If the answer, whenever you are finding an HCF, if the output is divisible by 27, input every number should be divisible by 27. If the answer is 21, if answer is divisible by 7, input every number will be divisible by 7. 124, it is not divisible by 7. If the answer is divisible by 37, every number should be divisible by 37. 37 3s are 111, 37 4s are 148. So answer for this question is 31. If the answer is divisible by 31, every number should be divisible by 31. Yes, every number is divisible by 31. 31 4s are 124. 31 7s are 217. 31 19s are, it is 589. Please remember, whenever you are finding HCF, please make a note of this concept, sir. Whenever you are finding HCF of A1, A2, A3, if it is K, if the answer is divisible by K, all should be divisible by K. Input all the numbers should be divisible by K. Whenever you are finding HCF, if the answer is divisible by K, input all the numbers should be divisible by K. If whenever you are finding LCM whenever you are finding LCM, if the answer is divisible by k, LCM, at least one should be divisible by k. Minimum one element is okay. All elements should be divisible by k. That is for HCF. Extremely important point, sir. We will use this point to eliminate a lot of incorrect answer options. Please make a note of these points, sir. Whenever we are finding HCF, if the answer is divisible by k, input all the numbers should be divisible by k. Whenever we are finding LCM, if the answer is divisible by k, input at least one number is enough to be divisible by k. At least one number is enough to be divisible by k. Answer should be HCF. So immediately from now onwards, whenever you get 21 as the answer, check whether all the numbers are divisible by 21. Not possible, it cannot be the answer. Not possible, it cannot be the answer. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. Find the greatest number. Find the greatest number. That number is. Find the greatest number. That number is divisible by 22. That means number will be divisible by 22, but not divisible by 5. But not divisible by 5. When I say it is not divisible by 5, that means unit digit cannot be 0 or 5. Unit digit cannot be 0 or 5. Wherever unit digit is 0, that means the number is divisible by, right, 5. Unit digit cannot be 0. First option it is eliminated. First option it is eliminated. 22 means number should be divisible by 2 and 11. Number should be divisible by 2 and 11. If a number is divisible by 2, unit digit has to be an even number. Unit digit has to be an even number. Unit digit has to be an even digit. That means second option it is out. I hope it is clear, right? Now it should be divisible by 11. Divisible by 11 means sum of odd places. Sum of odd places minus even places. Sum of odd places minus even places. It should be either 0 or a multiple of 11. Sum of odd places minus sum of even places. Either it should be 0 or multiple of 11. 8, 11. 9 plus 2, 11. Third one seems to be divisible by 11. Fourth one, 8 plus 0 plus 3. 8 plus 0 plus 3, it is 11. 5 plus 4 plus 2, it is 11. Question is the greatest number. What is the greatest among this? This one. What is the greatest among this? This one. Very good question. Based on the divisibility rule, number should be divisible by 22. 22 means it should be divisible by 2 and 11. 2 divisible means unit digit should be an even digit. That means B option it is out. Number should not be divisible by 5. That means unit digit should not be 0 or 5. But here it is 0. Option A is out. Option A out, option B out. It is divisible by 22. That means it should be divisible by 11. Third D is divisible by 11. Fourth D is divisible by 11. But the question is greatest. Take the largest number among these two. Take the largest number among these two. What is the greatest 4-digit number? Greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number which when divided by 6, 7 and 8, there is a number which when getting divided by 6, 7 and 8, and which when getting divided by 6, 7 and 8, reminders are, what are the positive reminders? 4. What are the positive reminders? 4, 5 and 6. 4, 5 and 6. Positive remainder. Now see here. 13 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. Positive remainder it is 3. 13 when divided by 5. Positive remainder it is plus 2. Positive remainder plus 2. Negative remainder will be 5 minus 2 minus 5 minus 3. How to get the negative remainder from the positive remainder? Subtract it from the number that you are dividing. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. This is a positive remainder. How to get the negative remainder? Subtract it from the number you are dividing. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. 6 minus 8 is minus 2. In all the cases right now, negative remainder it is same. In all the cases right now, negative remainder it is same. So what will be the form of the answer? Form of the answer is number is divisible by 6, 7 and 8. In all the cases, negative remainder will be minus 2. Negative remainder will be minus 2. Minus 2. See here. This is divisible by 3. Minus 2 means, what will be the form? Minus 2. Answer when divided by 3. Negative remainder should be minus 2. That means positive remainder should be plus 1. Answer when divided by 3. Answer when divided by 3. Answer when divided by 3. Positive remainder should be 1 over. LCM of 6, 7, 8 into k minus 2 it is. This is divided by 3. Minus 2 is the negative remainder. Negative remainder minus 2. That means positive remainder will be plus 1. Positive remainder will be plus 1. This is divided by 3. This is giving negative remainder minus 2. Answer when divided by 3. Answer when divided by 3. Positive remainder should be 1. Here it is perfectly divisible by 3. Here it is perfectly divided by 3. And another way to write, I hope the idea it is clear. Another way to do it is, see here. Now if you observe carefully, answer for this question, it is 99, 10. You can directly tell it in another way also. What is the another way? Another way is, see here. This is divided by 4. 8 is divisible by 4. This is minus 2. Answer when divided by 4. Negative remainder should be minus 2. 21. 4 5s are 20. Positive remainder 1. 4 5s are 20. I need negative remainder 2. 12. 4 3s are 12. 10 means 4 3s are 12 minus 2. Answer negative remainder should be minus 2. You can solve this question from any angle, you will get the answer. Any angle, you will get the answer. The question is based on negative remainder concept. Question is based on negative remainder concept. Now see here. There is a 9-digit number 4, 6, 8, x, 5, 1, 3, 8, y. What we'll do is, we'll find out the value of x and y. Right? Here the expression is missing. We'll find out the values of x and y. This number is divisible by which number? 72. 72 it is written as 9 into 8. 72 it is a composite number. So it is 9 into 8. Answer should be divisible by 9 and it should be divisible by 8. It is divisible by 8. If it is divisible by 8, last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Without getting divided by 4, it cannot be divided by 8. 80, 84, 88. These are all the possibilities. 82 it is not possible because it is not divisible by 4. Right? 86 it is not possible. That means this can be 380, this can be 384, this can be 388. Which number it is divided by 8? 8 4s are 32, 60, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64. Not possible. 384. 8 4s are 32, 64, 8 8s are 64. Yes. 8 4s are 32, 68. It is not divisible. That means y value we got it as 4, fixed. Y we got it as 4. We did it when the number is divisible by 8. It should be divisible by 9. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. That means x plus 8 plus y. It should be divisible by 9. Y is 4. 12 plus x. It should be divisible by 9. That means x should be 6. X should be 6. Y is 4 and x is 6. Expression is missing. You can substitute in the expression and get the answer. Very, very good question. Divisibility rule based question. This number is divided by 72. 72 is 8 into 9. For a number to be divided by 8, it should be first divided by 4. 80, 84, 88. Then which all numbers are divisible by 8? 384. That means y is 4. If I substitute y4, 12 plus x should be divisible by 9. That means x value should be 6. If x is 6, y is 4. Whatever the expression that is given in the question, you can substitute. Another question. A number when divided by 6. There is a number when you divide a number by 6. The remainder it is 2. Number when divided by 6, remainder it is 2. There is a number which is getting divided by 6. How many times we don't know, but definitely the remainder it is 2. Definitely the remainder it is 2. So number form will be dividend is equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. N is 6x plus 2. Dividend is equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Take x value 1, you will get n value 8. N is 8. Question contains variables, answer contains numerical values. Substitution is the best method. What is the remainder? I need to find the remainder when n square plus n plus 2. N square plus n plus 2 is divided by 6. N square plus n plus 2 is divided by 6. What is n value we got? 8. So answer for this question is 8 square plus 8 plus 2 divided by 6. So 8 square it is 64. 64 plus 10, 74 divided by 6. 6 12s are 72. Answer for this question is 2. Answer for this. The question contains variables. Whenever the question contains variables and the answer contains numerical values, question contains variables. Please write down these concepts. Question contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer contains numerical values. Answer contains numerical values. What is the best way to solve the problem? Substitution is the best way to solve the problem. Substitution is the best way to solve the problem. Substitute that value that satisfies the condition present. Number when divided by 6, remainder 2. So the number will be 6 into x plus 2. So the number will be 6x plus 2. Sir, instead of x value 1, can I substitute x value 2? Even whatever value you substitute, answer will not change. Answer will not change. Next question. If each of the two numbers, there is a number that is present 5 power 16, that is divided by 6. That remainder, we are calling it as R1. Okay. Remainder when 5 power 16 is divided by 6. There is another number 5 power 25. When divided by 6, I got another remainder which I am calling it as R2. Which I am calling it as R2. What will be R1 value? 6 ones are 6. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 power even it is plus 1. So R1 it is plus 1. 6 ones are 6. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. 6 ones are 6. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. So R2 is, in negative remainder it is minus 1, or positive remainder it is 5. R1 plus R2. What is the question? R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2. 5 plus 1, it is 6. 6 by, what is the question that is given? 5 power 16 divided by 6. It is 1. R1, it is 1. 5 power 25 divided by 6. It is minus 1. So, question is, right, R1 plus R2 divided by R2. Divided by R2. 5 plus 1, it is 6. Divided by R2, it is 5. Answer for this question is 6 by 5. Very, very easy. Negative remainder related question. Right? One power is an odd number, another power is an even number. Another power is an even number. I hope the idea it is clear. Already we solved this question. We got 8A. We already solved the similar question, sir. See here. Question is 8A51. 8A51. 46B. It is divided by 88. That means 8 and 11. 8 means B should be an even digit. B should be an even digit. B should be an even digit. B is an even digit. Now already we solved this question. A we got it as 3. B we got it as 4. So question is A power B. 3 power 4 is 81. 3 power 4 is 81. I hope the idea it is clear. Already same equation we found out the values of A and B. 21st question. See here, sir. What is the value of K such that this number is divisible by 6? 6 means 6 is a composite number. It should be divisible by 2 and 3. It should be divisible by 2 and 3. For a number to be divisible by 2, K should be an even digit. K should be an even digit. K should be an even digit. Answer will be either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Answer will be either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. It cannot be 1. It cannot be 7. 1 and 7 both are omitted. Sir, why are you deleting 1 and 7? K is in units place. If a number is divisible by 2, units place has to be an even digit. So 0, 2, 4, 6 are 8. That means 1 and 7. That means options given are 2 and 4. Out of these, one option it is divisible. And it is divisible by 3. For a number to be divisible by 3, sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum it is divisible by 3. That means 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus K should be divisible by 3. 7 plus K divisible by 3. 7 plus 2 it is 9. 7 plus 4 it is 11. That means K2, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 will be divisible by 3. Very good conceptual question. Very good conceptual question. For a number to be divisible by 6, it should be divisible by 2 and 3. 2 means unit digit has to be an even digit. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Right? Options given are 2 and 4. Only 2 and 4 I will took mark. Only 2 and 4. So, for a number to be divisible by 3, sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 6 plus 3, 9. It is not possible. So, it is, 5 plus 2, 7. Here K is there, here also K is there. It is 7 plus 2K, sir. Not 7 plus 1K. It is 7 plus 2K. So, K if I take 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2. 4 plus 7, 11. It is K4, 8 plus 7, 15. That means K value has to be. Answer is 4. It is 7 plus 2K, not 7 plus K. Here 1K is there, here 1K is there. Do not do like me a silly mistake, sir. It is 7 plus 2K. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Next one. Find the greatest 3-digit number. I require a greatest 3-digit number, which when divided by, any question which involves when divided by, it is an LCM. Which when divided by, it is an LCM. So the number is getting divided by 3, 4, 5 and 8. In all the cases, what will be the positive remainder? In all the cases, positive remainder will be 2. In all the cases, positive remainder it is 2. That means the number is getting divided by 3, 4, 5, 8. In all the cases, positive remainder it is 2. In all the cases, positive remainder it is 2. In all the cases, positive remainder it is 2. Right? Now, we will go by the, now if you see here, this is divided by 3. Answer when divided by 3, positive remainder should be 2. Answer when divided by 3, positive remainder should be 2. Answer when divided by 5, positive remainder should be 2. 958 it is omitted. When divided by 3, remainder 2. 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5. 5. When divided by 3, remainder 2. Here also 2, here also 2. Here also 2, here also 2. Now if you see here, 3, 4, 5, 8. How to determine LCM of this number? 4 will divide 8. So 4 is redundant. 3 and 5 are co-primes. LCM of co-prime is product 15. 8 and 15 are co-prime. So 15 into 8 is 120. 120k plus 2. K if I substitute 1. Answer for this question will be 122. Answer for this question will be 122. Are you all with me? So here it is 120. 120 into k plus 2. 122 will be k value 1. I will get the smallest number. K value 1. I will get smallest number. But the question is greatest number. Greatest will be k value 8. 960 plus 2. 962. Smallest answer is 122. Greatest answer will be 962. I hope the idea it is clear. LCM of 3, 4, 5, 8 into k plus 2. 4 will divide 8. So 8 came. 3 and 5 are co-primes. LCM of co-primes is their product. 15 came. 15 and 8 are co-prime. 120k plus 2. Answer will be of the form 120k plus 2. Smallest if I want, put k value 1. Largest if I want, put k value 8. 120 into 8 is 960. 960 plus 2 is 962. 122 will be the smallest answer. Largest will be 962. 962. These are some of the courses which we offer. Now see here, sir. There is a number. Almost all the questions, if you see the previous year pattern, divisibility rule, a lot of questions are given. Find the value of k in the number. Number is 3426k. This is the number. This is the number. Number. If the number is divisible by 6, 6 means it is divisible by 2 and 3. 6 means it is divisible by 2 and 3. If it is divisible, k can be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. K can be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. And not divisible by 5. So k cannot be 0. K cannot be 0. K cannot be 0. That means the number can be 34262, 34264, 34266, 34268. Number has to be divisible by 6. 6 means it should be divisible by 2 as well as 3. 2 as well as 3. If you observe 3, 4 plus 2, 6, 6. It is not divisible by 3. 3, 4 plus 2, 6, 6. It is not divisible by 3. 3, 4 plus 2, 6, 6. It is not divisible. So answer for this question is 34266. What will be k value? 3 k value will be 6. K value will be 6. All are based on composite number divisibility rule. Number is divisible by 6. Divisible by 6 means it should be divisible by 2 and 3. 2 means unit digit has to be even. 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. 0 not possible because the question is not divisible by 5. These are all the possibilities. It should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 4 plus 2 it is divisible. 6 plus 6 it is divisible. Answer for this question is 34266. 34266. K value will be 6. What is the least perfect square? Answer should be a perfect square. Answer should be a perfect square. Answer should be a perfect square. Which all perfect squares are there in the option? Now if you see, 30 is not a perfect square. 30 is not a perfect square. 5 square 25, 6 square 36. 180. It is not a perfect square. A perfect square will write or 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 196. It cannot be, it cannot be. Cannot be. Exactly divisible by. Divisible by means it is LCM. If the answer is 196, 196 is divisible by 7. 196 is divisible by 7. Whenever you are finding LCM, if the answer is divisible by 7, input one number at least should be divisible by 7. None of the numbers is divisible by 7. Answer for this question is 900. Answer for this question is 900. Again I am repeating. Whenever you are, please read the question. It is the perfect square. Perfect square. 30. 5 square 25, 6 square 36. 30 is not a perfect square. 13 square 169, 14 square 196. It is not a perfect square. 900 and 196. Answer is 196 and it is the LCM of these given numbers. Answer if it is divisible by 7. Input, right, in answer is divisible by 7. Input at least one number should be divisible by 7. None of the numbers it is divisible by 7. Very logical way of solving this question. Logical way of solving this question. Now if you see, 48K2048 P6. There is a number that is given 48K2048 P6. It is divisible by 99. 99 means 99 it is a composite number. So it should be divisible by 9 and it should be divisible by 11. 9 let us see. 9, delete the digits whose sum is 9. 16 plus 2, 18, deleted. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus K plus P. It should be divisible by 9. 14 plus K plus P. It should be divisible by 9. Till here, is the idea clear? Again I am repeating it. It should be divisible by 9 plus 9 into 11. 9 I deleted the digits. 8 plus 8 16. 16 plus 2 18 deleted. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 4 14. 14 plus K plus P. It should be 9K. 9K multiple is 9, 18, 27, 36. 36 onwards it is not possible because the maximum single digit is 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 14, it is 32. So it cannot be 36. So here, K plus P. Let us use the concept of divisibility rule of 11. Divisibility rule of 11. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus K plus 14. It is 18 plus K. Again I am repeating. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 0, 14. 14 plus K plus 4. It is 18 plus K. Sum of even places. 4 plus P plus 2 plus 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. It is 14 plus P. 14 plus p. Either it should be 0 or it should be multiple of 11. So that means 4 plus k minus p. 4 plus k minus p. Either it is 0 or a multiple of 11. Multiple of 11. Now if you see here, if I take 4 plus k minus p, it should be 0. That means if I take k value 0, p value it is 0, right? That means it should be minus 4. Am I right? 18 minus 14 is 4. 4 plus k minus p, it should be 0. That means if it is minus 4, if k is 0, p is 4. If k is 0, p is 4. 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4, 4. 14 plus 4, 18. It is divisible. 0 minus 4, minus 4. 4 minus 4, it is 0. That means k is 0 and p is 4. What is the question? Product. 0 into 4 is 0. 0 into 4 is 0. Very, very good question it is. 99 divisibility rule. If k is 0, there is another way to solve the question, sir. 4, 8, k is 0. We can check whether it is right or wrong. It is 4, 8, 0. 4, 8, k is 0. It is 20, 204. 8, p is 4 and it is 6. This is the number which I got. K0, P4 I got. K0, P4. What is the divisibility rule of 99? Take a group of 2 digits. Take a group of 2 digits. Take a group of 2 digits. Add them. 48 plus 6, 94. Plus 20, 114. 114 plus 80, 194. Plus 4, 198. 198 is 99 into 2. Perfectly divisible. Divisibility rule of 99 is take a group of 2 digits from right hand side. Keep on adding them. I got K0, P4. Just I wanted to check. I substituted that value. Take a group of 2 digits and add. Take a group of 2 digits and add. 46 plus 48, 94, 114, 114 plus 80, 194, plus 4, 198. 198 it is divisible by 99. 198 it is divisible by 99. I hope the idea it is clear. 99 divisibility rule is 9 into 11. Here it is a perfect square. LCM answer it is divisible by 7. Input one number should be divisible by 7. Divisibility rule of 6 is 2 into 3. Unit digit should be an even number. It cannot be 0 because it is not divisible by 5. These are some of the courses that we offer, right? Greatest 3 digit number, k value 8. Smallest number, k value 1. Divisibility rule of 6 we discussed. This question already we discussed. Question contains variables. Answer contains numerical values. Substitute